welcome. This is the problem given in Power Systems Gate 2005. At an industrial substation with a 4 megawatts load, a capacitor of 2 MVAR is installed to maintain the load power factor at 0.97 lagging. If the capacitor goes out of service, the load power factor becomes A 0.85, B 1.00, C 0.80 lagging, D 0.90 lagging. So the solution for this problem will be, the active power PL is given 4 megawatts and reactive power QC is applied, which is nothing but 2 MVAR, and at cos phi, power factor cos phi 1 equals to 0.97 lagging. If we convert this into phase angle, phi 1 equals to cos inverse of 0.97, which is equals to 14.06 degrees. We have to calculate the load power factor cos pi 2 at this phase angle pi 2. So from the triangle of power triangle of the power system, kW is the active power, kVAR is the reactive power. So this active power is given as P equals to 4 megawatts, and this total reactive power we don't know actually. So let us suppose I have taken it as QL, because the capacitive reactive power is inserted, which is taken as QC. So this is taken out of service, means there will be some remaining reactive power, which is nothing but QL minus QC. And this remaining reactive power will be at phase angle pi 1, that is without inserting of this capacitive reactive power. And if this is removed, the total reactive power at phase angle pi 2 we have to calculate. So now from this we already have the phase angle pi 1, and tan pi 1 equals to this opposite side QL minus QC and this adjacent side P, and tan pi 1 can be written as tan of 14.06 degrees, which is equals to 0.25, which is equals to QL minus QC by P, and we already know P value, that is QL minus QC value is 2 by P value is 4, which is equals to 0.25. Again, QL minus 2 equals to 0.25 into 4, it is 1, and QL is the total reactive power equals to 1 plus 2 equals to 3 MVAR. That means this will demand the reactive power of 3 MVAR. So this 3 MVAR at which the phase angle pi 2 it will demands. So tan pi 2 will be calculated as this total reactive power QL by the total active power P. Reactive power is 3 by active power is 4. And from this we will get the phase angle as tan inverse of 3 by 4, which is equals to 36.86 degrees, and cos pi 2 equals to cos of 36.86 degrees. We will get 0.8 lagging. This is the answer, and the answer is C, 0.8 lagging.